Hello everyone, I just wanted to show a new tool probe design that I'm trying out. I've seen this design before and I really liked how it looked and how it seemed to work. So I made one. So I 3D printed the base and then milled out two metal plates for the switch itself. So it's a normally closed switch. The tool is going to push down here to break the contact and tell the controller how long the tool is. So I just wanted to test it out real quick. I've tested it out a couple times and it seems to work really well so far. So I'll use my simple program. Same one as before, but kind of switched how it works a little bit. So it comes down and touches the plate, it'll back off. Touch it again and stores the measured length in the tool table. And the value I got is 1.218. So let's test it again just to see how repeatable it is. It looks pretty repeatable, seems to work pretty well, and I think I'm going to start using this for now on now. Thank you.